Digital marketing is how you get your startup discovered, trusted, and chosen. In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of SEO, SEM, and social media, 3 foundational strategies that can drive traffic, build awareness, and grow your business. Let's start with SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is about helping people find your product through search engines like Google. The goal is to rank high in organic results when users search for terms related to your product. This means understanding keywords, optimizing your content, and earning authority over time. Start with keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs to discover what your audience is searching for. Focus on terms that match user intent, what problems they're trying to solve, not just what your product is called. Next, optimize your website. Include target keywords in your page titles, headings, and descriptions. Write helpful, original content that answers real questions. Make sure your site loads fast, works on mobile, and is easy to navigate. Good SEO is user-first, not trick-based. Now let's move to SEM, search engine marketing. This involves paying to appear in search results, usually through platforms like Google Ads. It's a great way to drive traffic quickly, test messaging, and reach high-intent users. Start with a small budget and target specific keywords. Write clear, relevant ad copy and send traffic to focused landing pages. Use analytics to measure performance and adjust campaigns. SEM gives you control and speed, but it only works if your targeting and value proposition are strong. While SEO builds long-term visibility, SEM gives you short-term reach. Using both together can create a powerful growth engine. SEO builds credibility over time, while SEM brings in immediate results. Now let's talk about social media. Social is where your brand shows its personality, builds community, and reaches people where they already spend time. Different platforms serve different purposes. LinkedIn is great for B2B, Instagram for visual storytelling, and Twitter for thought leadership. Consistency is key. Post regularly and stay on brand. Mix value-driven content like tips, stories, or user testimonials with promotional posts. Don't just push your product. Start conversations, respond to comments, and engage like a human, not a billboard. Use hashtags to increase reach, collaborate with influencers to tap into trusted networks, and explore paid ads for more targeted exposure. Tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later can help you schedule and manage your content efficiently. Also, measure what matters. Track engagement, click-throughs, and conversion rates, not just likes. Use data to learn what your audience responds to and double down on what works. At the core of digital marketing is knowing your audience. Where do they spend time? What do they care about? What problems are they trying to solve? When your content matches their intent and interests, marketing stops feeling like advertising and starts creating connection. Start simple. Pick 1 or 2 channels and do them well. As your startup grows, you can expand your strategy and test new formats. The most successful startups don't just market. They educate, entertain, and inspire. Let's build a digital marketing foundation that brings your startup the visibility it deserves.